In this video, I will quickly show you how to work on Fiverr and earn money by offering services online. First, go to the Fiverr website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are inside, click Become a Seller to activate your seller profile. Next, complete your profile by adding a photo, description, and your main skills. Then create a gig, which is the service you want to sell, such as design, programming, translation, video editing, or any other skill. Enter a clear title, write a description explaining what you offer, and set the service price. You can also upload images or examples of your work to make your listing more professional. After publishing the gig, it will be available to clients worldwide. When someone places an order, you can communicate with the client and deliver the work through the platform. The better the quality of your service and communication, the higher your chances of receiving more orders. Over time, you can increase your prices and earn more money on Fiverr. And that's it. Now you know how to work on Fiverr and earn money easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.